son jump away and go. See my brush you have there.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our next epic adventures with Bluelife Adventures. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the new watchers, new subscribers. Welcome. So today, as you can see in the background, I don't know if you don't know the place, but this is the Rio Grande people. Understand? So if you look across the river, my elder put some jelly for my raft to come over. You know? So this is life on the Rio Grande, you understand? See Father Mike's in the background there. See I want some crayfish. Mike's, show out to people them, no man. Big up. Alright, see boss say big up people. So catchery at Berrydale people. We got tour some falls. So just catchery. Understand? Just stay tuned.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it.
Yes guys, so we reach Berrydale. Almost reach the spot, you know. So we just passed the sign, welcome to Berrydale. So the spot a couple distance away. So we'll reach it. I couldn't know how going. Look, we have got the spot you know. So we are rolling with Butty. And if I can't see him people, but I'm a lead it to the plate, you see it? So I'm Michael there. I just we alone not the one of the people. Other guys them busy. So I go head to the spot you know. I'm gonna bring me at the spot, you see it? So anytime I'm in the area people want to go over the falls then this man I put on off the link, you see it? Yeah. Hey people, so what you say unclide water with it, you see it? So I go cross there now. It must have wonder why the water now looks so clear. Clear people, but because of black sun, you know? So. It's a nice spot. People. Guys.
For so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. No, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't.
Yes, eh?
Nude guest house.
Oh, nude guest house. Okay. So you're saying start with a porn and shoot and something like that? Yo, Brady, what am I going to catch this?
Falls, no hands to the big.
Yes, it's a little falls. And if you can't see people.
Ever be the same? No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out. Skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again.
Nice, beautiful river. So this river meet up with the Rio Grande, main river. So this is one of them that flow goes straight to the Rio Grande. So let's take a look over this falls. Yeah, people. So let's check out the fall and we are going down there. Get a closer look at it. Yeah. This time I go down the river too. Previous adventures people reach falls the rock the more slippery. This time around this one of the black rock them, so they're not that slippery. You can actually it's barefoot, wear slippers, it will work. You understand people? See them? Nice area. Nice little area can hold a vibe. The falls are right up the people. Yeah. You know what? Those are called busu. Yeah man, so are them that people.
Yeah, people, so they may busu, you know. We pick them up on the river, and they on the stone them. So one thing I need to do with them here now, put them in a pot with some salt water and scald them. You know, use a hairpin or anything sharp like a hairpin and just pull them out of the shell. And boil them in a soup or put them on with some coconut milk like rundown style. And nice, I tell you. Best thing to know.
All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey.
Yeah, people, river do work for you, you know? And if you work smarter, not harder.
at it. And this is the bigger one. The smaller one down that side. So the smaller one is down that side. So it's downstream. So this one flow go down and meet up with the smaller part. So this is the bigger one. Nice. Just water that flow off of the rock. Nice and calm, you know. Let's see it. Yeah guys, so falls climbing today, you know. Yeah. Bluelife adventures, follow my way. But I think all the walk people. Look. But nice to view them people. You know bad. See where we are go. Yeah, yeah. Nice little looking hole. No? Yeah, so I let the fall people go under it again. Even though I just 2 hours today, we still have a lot of fun, you know. So we're head home now. So we're heading to the Port Antonio town. See if we can get something to eat. You see it, because we're hungry now. So you know, as usual, order mics.
Like, subscribe, share. You don't know anything already.
Yeah. So boss done telling already people. I'm glad to say everybody enjoy the video and catching. That's it for now. So catch you in the next video. Share your experience. Let's have one. Yeah. Nice. Nice Waterfalls people. Nice. Very beautiful place. No joke.